think there's so much out there in terms of resources for how to build and develop like a data science project or a data science portfolio. But for the people out there who want to be data engineers but don't know how to build out a data engineering project, do you have any tips or ideas on how they can get started?
Yeah. The the main problem what people are usually or the main problem usually people have is they want to build the whole thing from beginning. So they say, okay, I need to do a project. I need to make a big thing. I don't know which data and which tools, and they want to do the full chain. And uh, I always say start small, start picking some data that makes sense, that is interesting to you, and then start with one tool, and then build something on top of that, and then build something on top of that, and maybe switch something out for something else that you're interested in. And so the thing, it doesn't make sense to, like the cookbook, to go into the cookbook and look at every tool and try to learn every tool. That's completely useless. But
Mhm.
pick a few that are interesting or that you see are in demand, and then look into them, apply them, yeah, use them, and learn how to use them. And that's the main thing.
And would you suggest that, whoever is out there trying to start a project for data engineering, that they maybe go try to hunt down like some type of open API or open data portal and just build a pipeline to extract it from there and do the manipulations? Do you think that's a good approach for building out a project?
Well, there are a few approaches that you can do. The one approach is, like I say, you hunt down some sources like APIs, and like the easiest thing is a Twitter API. You just
Mhm. Yeah,
get an account and
yeah.
get some data from Twitter. But what you can actually do is just go out there and find a look through the data sources, free data sources. There are tons of. I just last week I've added to the cookbook. I don't know how many, a lot, and
Yeah.
you need to swift through them and find a data set like in a CSV format. And well, what you can do is, if you have a big file, you can always slice it and like simulate an API or simulate a source that is posting somewhere. And
Awesome.
it's it's rather quick, and you don't need to fight with some APIs and so on.
Mhm.
But both works. I have tried both, so